Hi friends, I am Ganesh Thakur. In this video we will discuss on some important and previously asked questions from Animal Husbandry chapter. This video is important for those who are preparing for NEET and other medical competitive exams. So try to solve all the questions and write in the comment box how much questions you solved correctly. So let's see the questions. So our first question is, the world's highly prized yielding Pashmina breed is, and the given options are A. Sheep, B. Goat, C. Goat sheep cross, and D. Kashmiri sheep African sheep cross. And here the correct answer is B. Goat. Pashmina is a breed of goat. It is also called Changthangi variety of northern temperate region and is largely found in Changthang region of Ladakh. So for this question correct option would be B. Goat. Come to the next question. A lake with an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in, and the given options are A. Drying of lake very soon due to algal bloom, B. An increased production of fish due to lot of nutrients, C. Death of fish due to lack of oxygen, and D. Increased population of aquatic web organism. And here the correct answer is C. Death of fish due to lack of oxygen. Decomposition of domestic sewage is an oxygen requiring process. So, a lake with an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in death of fish due to lack of oxygen. So, for this question correct option would be C. Come to the next question. Which of the following is detrimental to pearl industry? And the options given are A. Cleona, B. Calina, C. Pinctada, and D. Euspongia. And here the correct answer is A. Cleona. Cleona penetrates and destroys the shells of mollusks. Hence, it is detrimental to the pearl industry. So, for this question, correct option would be A. Cleona. Next question. Which of the following is exotic breed of cattle? And the given options are A. Brown Jersey, B. Friesian, C. Holstein, and D. all of the above. And here the correct answer is D. all of the above. The given all the options, that is Brown Jersey, Friesian, and Holstein, are exotic breed of cattle. So for this question correct option would be D. Next question. One of the following is a disease of poultry, and the options given are A. Anthrax, B. Salivary glands, C. HIV, and D. Rani Khet. And here the correct answer is D. Rani Khet. Rani Khet disease is a disease of poultry. It is very common among fowl and is caused by filter passing virus. So for this question, correct option would be D. Rani Khet. Rani Khet is a disease of poultry. Come to the next question. Minamata disease is caused due to consumption of A. Seafood containing lots of cadmium, B. Fish contaminated with mercury, C. Oyster with lot of pesticides, and D. Seafood contaminated with selenium. And here the correct option would be B. Fish contaminated with mercury. Minamata disease occurred in the Bay of Minamata, Japan, due to mercury polluted fish. So for this question, correct option would be B. Fish contaminated with mercury is the major cause of Minamata disease. Next question. The richest source of vitamin B12 are, and the given options are A. Rice and hen's egg, B. Parrot and chicken's breast, C. Goat's liver and spirulina, and D. Chocolate and green gram. And here the correct option is C. Goat's liver and spirulina. Liver is the richest source of vitamin B12 or cyanocobalamin. So, goat's liver and spirulina is the richest source of vitamin B12, and so for this question correct option would be C. Goat's liver and spirulina. Next question. Sting apparatus in honeybee is a modified form of, and here given options are A. Ovipositor, B. Wax glands, C. Alkaline glands, and D. Podicle valves. So here correct answer is A. Ovipositor. The stinging apparatus of the honeybee is in fact a modified ovipositor or egg laying tube that all bees and wasps have. So for this question correct option would be A. Ovipositor. Sting apparatus in honeybee is a modified form of ovipositor. Come to the next question. Airy silkworm is grown on A. Mulberry leaf, B. Neem leaf, C. Khaira leaf, and D. Castor leaf. And here the correct answer is D. Castor leaf. Airy silkworm or Arundi silkworm is grown on castor tree or Ricinus communis. So for this question correct option would be D. Castor leaf. Come to the next question. Murra, Mehsana and Jafrabadi are breed of, and the options given are A. Buffalo, B. Bee, C. Cow, and D. Horse. And here the correct answer is A. Buffalo. Murra comes from Murra group, Mehsana from Gujarat group, and Jafrabadi from Gujarat group are all breeds of Indian buffalo. So for this question correct option would be A. Buffalo. Next question. Mule is a product of, and the given options are A. Breeding, B. Mutation, C. Hybridization, and D. Interspecific hybridization. And here the correct answer is D. Interspecific hybridization. Mule is a product of interspecific hybridization. It is usually a sterile hybrid whose size is of donkey and a mare. So for this question correct option would be D. Next question. Which of the following is not a plant product? A. Hemp, B. Silk, C. Cotton, and D. Flax. And here the correct answer is B. Silk. Silk is obtained from a worm, Bombyx mori, or silkworm. It is not a plant product, and remaining all the options is plant product. So for this question correct option would be B. Silk. Next question. The yellow colored milk secreted by cattle soon after the birth of calf is called A. Chyme, B. Chyle, C. Cholesterol, and D. Colostrum. And here the correct option is D. Colostrum. Colostrum is cloudy, yellow colored fluid secreted from mammary glands during the first few days after the birth of young and before full-scale milk production. So, for this question, correct option would be D. Colostrum. Come to the next question. Which of the following is a correct statement? And the options given are A. Drone is deployed. B. Apis indica is largest wild bee. C. Wax is excretory product of bee. And D. Frisch discovered communication in bee. And here the correct answer is D. Frisch discovered communication in bee. Carl von Frisch discovered waggle dance or language of the bees for the communication between worker honeybee. So for this question, correct option would be D. Frisch discovered communication in bee. The last question of this video is, honey that has a high concentration of sugar does not decay because, and the given options are A. It contains natural antioxidant that prevent bacterial attack. B. Bacteria cannot survive in an active state in solution of high osmotic strength as water is drawn out of honey. C. In honey, bacteria totally deprived of oxygen. And D. None of the above. So for this question, correct answer is A. It contains natural antioxidant that prevent bacterial attack. Honey does not decay because of its three unique properties. First, antimicrobial. Second, antioxidant. And third, hygroscopic. So for this question, correct option would be A. Honey contains natural antioxidant that prevent bacterial attack, and so honey does not decay. That's all in this video. Please like and share this video. Stay with us. We will come back soon with one more videos. Thank you.